How we coming along on that 1940 Ford for Kevin? Stay tuned. Welcome back to FrankNCarrie's Adventures. Been working on that 1940 Ford delivery van for Kevin. Hope this works and his other channel. Anyway, I've been working on getting the body cleaned up, sanded. Got the hole cut in the hood for the blower. Got the rear door sanded. The lower part of the body sanded. I'm just cleaning up parts. Now, for you beginners, you say make sure you got everything sanded. You know, I use 1,000 grit sandpaper to sand everything. And all I'm doing is just roughing it up enough the paint will stick. And once you get everything sanded, I've seen some other videos out there to use a tack cloth like you would on a real car to clean up your sanding. Do not do this on your model. Whatever's on them tack cloths will stick to the plastic and your paint will not turn out very well. So what I do is I take it and I go into the sink and I just use some dish soap, put a little dish soap on there, rub it all over your model. Completely all everywhere, inside, outside, everywhere. Then run it under warm water so you get all that soapiness off and let it air dry. That takes off any resin from when they molded the model. It gets rid of any of your little sanding dust, anything like that. But you want to do that with all your parts that you're going to paint. You want to use dish soap to get that residue off of them. Now this model has had some cleanup that I had to do on it. I should have showed it, but there was little molding tags that was along the bottom of the body. So I had to get them all cleaned up. Up in here there was plastic from the mold that had squished out. They didn't clean it up. The same way around on the hood. Around the edges of the hood there was a lot of molding plastic. Back door, same way. There was a little bit on this part, the lower body. As far as the other parts, there is a little bit of cleanup, but not all that bad. My paint's ready to go. I gotta get this stuff in, get it washed, get it air dried, and everything like that. And what I decided is the bottom part is going to be the black pearl. Top half, up in here, will be kind of off-white color. That way the decals will show up. Been working on those. Getting back and forth to Kevin. Well, that's because I'm kind of making a logo also for his other channel. Hopefully he's been liking what I've been sending him. And then this part here, this will be your black pearl. And there's side steps. It goes from this fender to the front fender. This in here, I'm going to kind of give it that rubber look, but it'll be a red color. The interior is going to be like black on the bottom, like where your carpet and that is. It's going to be a flat black. The seats are going to have that leather look. And I might throw in some little other special things that Kevin won't know about until he gets it. On the dash, I'm debating on whether to do it in the black, purple, or do the red. I haven't decided that far yet. So anyway, that's where we're at on the model. Hope you enjoyed yesterday's video on how to decant paint. Hope that taught you something. Hope it helped somebody anyway. I'm going to just continually work on this a little bit every day. Take my time and make sure we got everything good. That's the biggest thing is patience. Make it to where you feel it looks the best. So, we'll catch you on the next video. Don't forget to smile every day, because it definitely helps. Because you smile every day, by the end of the week you're smiling anyway. So keep looking up. And here's some suggested videos for you. While you're here, why don't you check out some of these other videos. It's going to be right up here, right in this area over here somewhere. Just watch it for it in this area over here. Okay? Make sure you watch it